Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your Acer laptop keyboard is not working all of a sudden. So first, right click on the start icon on the taskbar. Now select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, expand keyboards. Now here you should see the standard keyboard entry. Right click on it. Now select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. After that, simply go ahead and restart your Acer laptop and check if the keyboard works now. If you still experience problems, you will need to perform a battery reset. For that, turn your Acer laptop upside down and look for a tiny hole. So this hole is basically for resetting the battery. Sometimes issues with your Acer laptop's battery can cause the keyboard to stop working. All you have to do is grab a paper clip or something similar and insert it and hold it for 4 to 5 seconds. This will reset your Acer laptop's battery and hopefully solve your problem. If you can't find this hole or if this method doesn't work, shut down your Acer laptop and unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, press and hold the power button on your Acer laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug the charger back in and try to turn on your Acer laptop. This should fix the problem with the keyboard and get it to work again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.